All right, so in this question, we're imagining a graph that represents a dolphin jumping out of water and then going back into the water. We're told that x represents time. So let's go ahead and just imagine what that would look like. So that's our x-axis for time. And we also know that y represents the distance above or below sea level. So we would both have positive and negative y values. So I'll put d for distance here. So the domain for this graph, oh, and by the way, I mean, if we could imagine a dolphin swimming under the water and then maybe it would jump up and then back down, it might kind of look something like that, right? So the domain for this graph, so remember domain is where it's valid for all values of x, is best represented using a set of what? Well, the important thing here is that we're dealing with time. Our domain is in units of time. And can we have negative time? No, definitely not. So that cancels out integers and real numbers because both of those sets include negative numbers. So now we got to think, is it either positive integers or positive real numbers? Well, because we are dealing with time, time doesn't only work in integers, right? We're not just talking about 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds. There's also 1.2 seconds, 1.3 seconds. There's an infinite number of seconds between 1 and 2, or an infinite number of numbers, right? So positive real numbers is the best way to represent our time or our domain. So I hope that was helpful, and thanks for visiting JD's preparation.